Welcome to NCC lecture series. This is lecture number 46. Honorable Commanding Officer, respected Associate NCC officers, respected permanent instructors, dear cadets and students. Today we discuss interpersonal relationship between a man and a woman. A strong interpersonal relationship between a man and a woman leads to friendship, love, and finally marriage. So, what is essential in interpersonal relationship between a man and woman? A sense of commitment. Commitment is essential in interpersonal relationship between a man and a woman. So, this kind of very committed relationships will just be successful, will be healthy, and there will be peace and harmony in such kind of interpersonal relationship. So when you look at the interpersonal relationship between a man and a woman, you can see that there is of course friendship, there is before friendship there is attraction and friendship, deep friendship, and it is just becoming love, and finally it ends in marriage or living together. So a sense of commitment is essential in marriages and love affairs, and partners must feel attached to each other and must importantly trust each other. So there is commitment, there is attachment, and there is also trust in interpersonal relationship between a man and woman. Now, when we discuss interpersonal relationship between a man and a woman, we have to look at the very psychological theories, and we remember the famous psychologist Robert Sternberg. And Robert Sternberg proposed the triangular theory of love in interpersonal relationship. And what is this triangular theory of interpersonal relationship? According to Robert Sternberg, the components of a successful interpersonal relationship between a man and a woman are 1. Passion, number 2. Intimacy, and number 3. Commitment. So without passion, intimacy, and commitment, a successful interpersonal relationship between man and a woman will not take place. So this is the triangular theory of love proposed by the famous psychologist Robert Sternberg. Remember. Now let's discuss all these components of the triangular theory of love. Okay, what is passion, what is commitment, and what is intimacy? So we have to understand that the more passionate you are in your relationship with your lover or your wife or your husband, the stronger is your relationship, the happier and healthier will be your relationship. So stronger passion, stronger intimacy, stronger commitment makes your relationship a great experience. And now let's understand what is passion. Passion refers to the physical and sexual attraction between two individuals, often a man and a woman. And individuals must feel physically attached to each other to just have to retain the charm or the very positivity of the relationship. So passion is essential for an interpersonal relationship between a man and woman. Now second thing is intimacy. What is intimacy? Intimacy is the amount of closeness between individuals in a relationship. You have to be very close. Mental, emotional, psychological, physical closeness and attachment. And a strong bond between partners is essential for a healthy interpersonal relationship. Okay, so intimacy is the second aspect of the triangular theory of love of Robert Sternberg. Number 3 is commitment. What is commitment? Commitment is the decision of two individuals to live together for very long time till the end of their life. And this commitment we have in marriage, husband and wife. Before becoming husband and wife, of course, they meet each other, they are attracted to each other, they fall in love, they become very close friends, and they decide to marry. And once they get married, they decide that they are just going to live together till the end of their life. And this is commitment. And commitment is nothing but two people deciding to be with each other lifelong, either by staying together or by marriage. So, passion, intimacy and commitment is essential in interpersonal relationship between a man and woman. Alright, so let us just ensure that we have a very healthy and very successful interpersonal relationship in our family, like with you and your wife, you and your husband. Okay, so also with maybe if you have good relationships, of course, let it be successful. And remember, try to be passionate in your love. Try to be passionate in your marriage. Try to be intimate and committed in your love and friendship, and of course your marriage. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Thank you.